Hello friends, most of the people in share market uses technical analysis as a quick and easy way to make some huge profits in the market because they believe it is quick and easy. Yes, I am totally agreed. And if we done this in a proper way, we can make a huge gain with it. But to get that stage, one has to put a lots of effort to learn those techniques. If you don't have the patience, then please stop this video and search for some fake tricks of share market. Now let's get started. If you are hear this voice for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get interesting finance videos. If you are still here to watch this video, that means you are among the top 10% people those who believe that to earn more, first we have to learn more. But before start digging into technical analysis, it is most important to set the expectations. Means in which cases we have to use this analysis and in which cases we have to avoid it. I know no one can talk about it. That's why there are too much rumors or fake videos about making money in share market. Technical analysis is best for identifying the short trades and do not use it for long-term investment. Use fundamental analysis for long-term investment. But technical analysis helps you to enter into this trade. But what does it mean? Let's understand this with the example of silver. This is the monthly graph of silver. And if you invest here in 2017, you can't get much return because its price is moving in a fixed range. But if you apply technical analysis here, this sign shows it is going to move at higher levels. Now you can enter in this trade and start earning profits, so you don't have to wait from 2017. Now I hope it's clear that in which cases we can use technical analysis and in which cases we have to avoid it. And the interesting thing is that once you learn how to apply technical analysis, you can use it in any kind of stocks or assets. This is pretty much like learning to drive a car. Once you learn how to drive it, you can drive almost any kind of car. We can apply technical analysis in shares, commodities, foreign exchange, and even in fixed income assets. This is probably one of the biggest advantage of technical analysis than the other analysis. Just like the fundamental analysis of equity and commodity are completely different. Even if you are dealing with the agricultural commodity, you have to analyze rainfall, harvest, demand and supply. However, the analysis for metal or currency is totally different. Now I hope it is clear to you that why technical analysis is so famous among all the analysis. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comments. In the upcoming video, I will explain the core assumptions of technical analysis and some components of charts. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and press that bell icon to get notified. If this video had any value to your life, hit that big fat like button and share this video to your family, friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.